Hello! In this video, we're going to assign the site title, site description, actions, and we will add a link to the home page. In the navbar, select the brand element. Let's activate the PHP code preview in order to check the PHP code that will be generated by Pinegrow. That's a great way to learn about what Pinegrow WordPress actions do and how different property settings affect the generated code. Now, assign the site name component. We can see that we can choose to replace the content or the element itself. When replace is set to content, the PHP code will leave the tags of the element and only replace its content. That's useful for actions like site name that return strings without HTML wrappers. When replace is set to element, the PHP code will replace the whole element. That's useful for actions that return HTML structure, for example, outputting the navigation menu. For site name, we'll leave the replace set to content. Now go to the links panel and set up a link to the home. It's time to assign the site description action to the paragraph below the title. Here again, we can decide if we want to replace the content or the element. Site description returns string, and we need to keep the p tag so that we leave replace set to content. By the way, actions have appropriate default values for replace property. In most cases, you can just leave the setting as it is. Save our theme. Now, check the changes by reloading the home page of our WordPress site.